I failed. Not sure what went wrong. It just didn't work out. I can't seem to get live like this. So with the it wants to connect to a network, but it won't use the phone's internet, and it won't let me use my own hotspot. So I'm thinking what I have to do is bring another, like my tablet with me, and then use that as a hotspot. And which when I'm traveling, it's easy because it's with me and it's usually plugged in. So we'll try that another time. Well, I'll try it at home. I'm just a little disappointed. Sweating bullets out here. What's the temperature? A beautiful 88 degrees. If you like that kind of stuff. I don't. I'm looking forward to going home to nice, cool weather and not being down here. Just saying. I wonder if I restarted my phone if it would work. Sweating bullets. Sweating bullets. Yep. Okay. So I couldn't get the live streaming thing working. And so I'm out and about. And I'm gonna do something maybe stupid. For example, I'm going to Best Buy to see if, because according to GoPro, the Max is available in stores on the 27th, and today is the 27th. So let's just go see if it's there. We're not buying. I don't think we're buying. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. We're not buying. I just don't think we're buying. I'm very happy with my GoPro Hero 7. Even if it did die and I had to get another one. But they gave me the other one, so I'm not complaining. It's freaking windy. But I don't see any reason to upgrade to the Hero 8 when my 7 is like, literally they sent me a new one the day the 8 came out. So my camera, my GoPro right now is brand spanking new. But the Max, that's a different story, because I am currently without a real 360 camera. And I would like to get back to my regular scheduled antics, if you know what I mean. Yes, I would. I've had a nice vacation from 360. I'm ready to, let loose. I have a whole bunch of new ideas that I haven't shared. And because I'm tired of giving away everything, giving it away for free. No one's going to buy the cow when you're giving away the milk for free. You know what I'm saying? So I know my generosity is over. I helped a lot of people. I don't know, who am I kidding? I'll still help people. I like people. But I'm going to save some stuff for me. I'll just tell you right now, the GoPro Max, so far I'm not all that super impressed with it, from what I'm seeing on the internet. But that being said, I don't think it sucks, but I don't think it's all that much of an improvement. from the Fusion, which was excellent. Matter of fact, I think the Fusion's still better. But it'll have an increased workflow, like the speed-wise, than the Fusion had. The quality will be right up there with the Fusion and the 1X, except for it'll have lens covers and be waterproof for my more crazy moments. So that alone, the stabilization and the water resistance, I guess it makes it the right choice for me. I wish it was better. It's not. Maybe when I use it, I'll find a way to tweak it and use it. And when I put my, I'm not saying I'm great or anything, but maybe it'll work better for me. Maybe I'll get good work out of it, Who knows? It won't be there. Let's go find out. It wasn't there. I'm glad it wasn't there. All right. I don't have to feel bad. I didn't do anything bad. Don't worry. Don't get me wrong. It would have been hard to walk away. I am jonesing for some 360 action, but I was good. It is so freaking hot. You don't know. I'm like, what's it now? 91 degrees. Not my cup of tea, kids. Not my cup of tea. I would actually welcome a little burst of rain. I would. I don't know where I am. I definitely didn't come this way. Oh, the mall. I know where I am. Whoa, thank you, asshole, for trying to run into me. Let's see. You know what? This is one of the few places I've ever been that I'm actually afraid to drive here. It's like they're aiming for you. I will not miss Florida. I will not miss it. It's something about it. It's not my cup of tea, in a nutshell. But I'm telling you, I want a van again. I loved my van, and I'll tell you right now, when it came to traveling, I preferred the van over the RV. I think I'm going to turn here. Why not? I really did. It was so much nicer to just comfortable. I don't want an RV. I want a four-wheel drive van. And I want to travel like I'm doing on the bike, but maybe I will use the van when the situation is right. So, for example, like if I went back to Kingman, for example, I like Kingman. It was all right, but the van, a four-wheel drive van, like off-road vehicle, would have served me better. On my late-night photo shoots out in the desert, I would have stayed all night. Even in Washington, as much as nice as the riding is, I hate putting up tents and taking down tents, and they're damp in the morning, and it's just, it's trying to squeeze stuff into every inch, where if I know I'm going someplace with big sky and dark nights, camping out I would camp out every weekend if I had a van. Taking pictures, just enjoying peace and quiet. I don't know. I love my bike. Don't get me wrong, I would have a bike. I would get something smaller to put around once I got into town. Like even if I took the scooter. You can laugh all you want. I love my scooter. a scooter or a small dirt bike just to put around on, or a small street bike, a little monster. It's like an old 620 dark, you know, something air cooled, like they're supposed to be when they were fun. God, it's hot. I am cooking my own juices here. It doesn't help that I'm wearing black, does it? I want a van, but I want to build a van. I want to find that right van, you know, $5,000-$6,000, relatively clean. A shell of a van, 4-wheel drive. I'll never find one for that price, 4-wheel drive, but you know what I mean. I don't want it lifted. It doesn't have to be, you know, crazy. I just want that extra traction because I'm by myself a lot, and I don't want to like get stuck all by myself somewhere. It might be the first vehicle I ever put a winch on. Winches always seem like cheating to me. But when you have something that's that big and heavy, man, why not, right? And I don't plan on doing any kind of crazy off-roading with it, but I want a mild to moderate green trail kind of crap, if you know what I mean. And set up in beautiful places in the middle of nowhere. Pull up, turn off the key, open the doors. I'm set up. Pull out my tripods, get the camera set up, and watch the sun move in the sky. I mean, just to me, call me whatever. That sounds like it would make more sense, especially now that I have like using real cameras again. They take my camera equipment literally fills up all 3 of the boxes, and everything else has to go in those yellow bags that are strapped to my bike. So, yeah, I want a van so bad.